Hey guys, it's Linda from Homeschooling Fun with Linda
and Grayson from Grayson's World of Fun.
And we are going to make some fake play snow for you today. We live in Florida, so unfortunately we don't ever really get to see snow unless we travel to see it. So we like to play with fake snow. Grayson's probably getting a little bit old for this, but I like the sensory play and I could actually smush it all day long. So we're going to make this. We're going to use conditioner and baking soda. We've also made this in the past with cornstarch and shaving cream. And there's lots of recipes online. We just kind of play with the consistency until it mushes and sticks together. So Grace, you want to mix, we have about a 1/4 cup conditioner here. Like I said, we're not gonna make a whole lot today. Had he been a little bit younger and would play with this for hours, I would waste my conditioner. But of course, you know, Dollar Tree has nice cheap conditioner you can use. So you don't have to use your good conditioner like I just did today. And you can also add glitter or different textures to this as well. White glitter would make it really pretty, or I don't know, more texture, more fun maybe. And then to the, conditioner, just about all of it scraped out. Now add in some baking soda. Like I said, cornstarch works too. I just had a ton of baking soda. So we're gonna mix that together. Go ahead, bud.
All right.
And I think you'll probably have to add more baking soda. And at some point, you just have to get in there with your fingers.
Oh no.
And smush it. When Grayson was younger, he did not like to touch dirty things, nasty things, slimy things. He was one of those kids that did not like to get dirty. So introducing into lots of sensory play like this really helped with that. So if you have a child that doesn't like touching certain textures or stuff, you might want to do a lot of sensory play or sensory bends with them, because it really does help them with different textures, and so it becomes fun with them. All right, use your hand to scrape it off all of the spoon with your fingers. There you go. And start kneading it and see if it's able to form into...
It's a little sticky still.
All right, see if it's able to form into a ball. And if not, we'll just have to add a little bit more baking soda to where it doesn't keep sticking to you. Sort of like dough, you just kind of play with it to the consistency to where it doesn't exactly stick with you. Need a little bit more?
Slime. A little bit. It's really good.
Like I said, we've done the, tasted it. The shaving cream, it blew my mouth. The shaving cream and the cornstarch too. That's always a good one. Pretty much the same texture. But you can make little snowmen with it. It's a great little afternoon of sensory play. Oh look, he made a little ball. Show the camera.
Still a little sticky, but it is definitely getting better.
So maybe just a little bit more powder, more baking soda.
Probably good.
And that is how we can make a Florida snowman.